Hey David, my name is Paul. I'm with Eastwind SEO, and I've partnered up with Schenectady SEO to bring you this video showing you some tips on how to improve your online presence. You spoke with Nathan earlier about this video, and I'm just going to go over 3 things that are going to help improve traffic to your website, and that's going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I have your website pulled up right here. It's a great looking website. You have a quote button, you have your click to call here, your social links right down there. So it's a nice, well put together website. The pictures are beautiful, the design's great, everything flows smooth as you, scroll down the website. So I would definitely recommend more content here. So we always recommend to our clients at least 1,500 words of content. The reason for that is it allows you to put in plenty of buyer intent keywords, and a keyword is going to be anything that somebody's going to put into Google as they search for a product or a service. And also Google loves content. They're going to crawl your website. They're going to go through all of your content. And so the more keywords that you have, the more it's going to tell them about your business, the areas you serve, the kind of business you provide. All that different information is going to help them to determine where to place your website within the rankings on Google, and is also going to help you guys show up more for those keywords that are in that content as people search those keywords on Google. So that is my recommendations on your website. Other than that, it's a great looking website. So just 1,500 words of content. Keep that in mind. Let's go ahead and jump into a search. I just did concrete coatings in New Orleans. Nothing too specific. Because this is just, I'm just using this for examples. So you would want to obviously be more specific location wise when you putting keywords in your content. So the first thing you're going to see are ads. So ads are a great way to gain clients. It's a really good way to get some business coming in through your door. You can target a certain audience when you're using ads to get your business in front of the people that you want to get in front of. That's the great thing about ads, and that's why you can definitely see some really good results if you run a good ad, whether it be Facebook or Google. You can definitely see good results from it. Next, we have our map pack, and this is going to be the top 3 map pack here. Definitely a spot you would want your business to be showing up in. These guys see a good amount of business just from being in this top 3. They usually end up getting around 34, 35, 36% of the traffic that comes through these searches just from being up here in this top 3. And that's going to be your Google business profile. So what you want to do is have it filled out as much and as accurately as possible with all of your business information. Get it into some online directories, and you're going to get citations back from that. And that's what we're going after. You want to have more citations than your competitors that are showing up in that top 3. So an online directory is going to be anything like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List. There's hundreds of online directories that you can get your information into and get citations back from. So moving on from there, we have our organic search results. Definitely another spot that you want to be at the top of. And that's going to have to do with a few different aspects of your website, but definitely content would definitely help you out in that situation. If we take a look at a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it just helps me look at how a website is performing. We're going to take a look at this section up top here, this UR and DR, 2 important numbers that you definitely want to pay attention to. So a UR is going to be a trust rating, or how trustworthy your website is according to Google, and the DR is going to be a power rating. Those 2 numbers, you want to keep them within close ratio with each other and move them up as high as possible. As we can see, not much happening with yours right here, but that's okay. Always room for improvement. There's nothing wrong with that. So you can definitely improve those numbers with your backlinks. You want to have a good quality backlinks linking back to your site. So a backlink is going to be exactly that, something linking back to your site from an outside source, whether it be another website or maybe a comment blog or something like that. The trick here is to have quality backlinks, coming from websites that are relevant to your service industry. You don't want random websites linking back to you, with spammy backlinks. That's going to hurt your numbers, and it's going to affect your ability to rank in Google as well. So you do have two referring domains giving you 5 backlinks. You're currently being found for 2 keywords. That's why I stress the importance of having that content with that those buyer intent keywords on your homepage, because that gives you plenty of room to put in those keywords, and it gives you a good ability to be found for those keywords in more searches. Which what's that going to do? It's going to drive more traffic to your website, because you're being found for more of those searches at the top of the search results. So he's going to bring you more business, and that's the goal we're going for here. Bringing more business through your website, increasing your online traffic, and gaining more clients through your online presence. So that is all the information I have for you guys on this subject. I'm going to recap real quick. 1,500 words of content on your homepage gives you plenty of room to put those buyer intent keywords in there. Get your Google business profile filled out as much and as accurately as possible. Get it into some online directories, and then get some quality backlinks linking back to your site coming from domains that are relevant to your service industry. So all that together will definitely help improve your traffic, your rankings, and your ability to show up in the top 3 map pack on Google. And that's only going to increase business. So that's all I have for you guys. I do appreciate you taking the time to check this video out. These are definitely some tips you can implement yourselves to start seeing results. You could always reach out to us too if you want more information. I will link our information in this video, as well as the email I will send out to you guys. Once again, thanks for checking out this video. We really do appreciate it, and we hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.